Good morning, dear students. Today we'll start with the new chapter, that is light. Dear students, you all have seen the beam coming from the railway engine. How is it? It is a beam, very strong beam of light. In the same way, you must have seen the lighthouses. In the lighthouse also you can see a strong beam of light. Then you have got searchlights or from the lights from the airport towers. Okay, so what can you see? In the same way, you can also see a beam of sunlight entering into our rooms through very narrow openings. Okay, so all these are what? These are the different sources of light. In the previous class, or that is in class 6th, you all must have studied or you all must have done this experiment. What is this experiment? You have already studied that light travels in a straight line. How can you prove this? You have got a very simple activity. What you have to do? You have to take two pipes. One pipe is a straight pipe and the another one is a bent pipe. And what you have to do? You have to look through this pipe and you have to look at a candle flame. Now children, through which pipe will you be able to see the candle flame? Can you tell the answer? Yes, the answer is that we can see the candle flame only through a straight pipe, but not through a bent pipe. Why is it so? Because as I told you, light always travels in a straight line. So since the light is traveling in a straight line, you will see this candle flame only through a straight pipe, but you will not be able to see through a bent pipe. Clear? Now we come to the reflection of light. What is reflection of light? Now, reflection of light. You have seen that if the light comes and hits any surface, okay, now what happens is, you must have noticed children at your homes also why you can see various kinds of object. The reason is that the light rays comes and hits any object. For example, if this is a light ray, okay, this is a light ray and this is coming and hitting an object. Now when this light ray is coming and hitting an object, after hitting a polished surface or a mirror, what will happen? It bounces back. It bounces back. This bouncing back of light is called as reflection of light. Okay, what is it called as? Reflection of light. You all must have done this at home also, children. You do it very oftenly. खेलते टाइम में क्या करते हो? You take a plate, isn't it? Steel का plate उठाते हो and you just go and keep it in the sunlight. What will you see? You will see a beam of light reflecting. Okay, so what is reflection of light? When a ray of light comes and hits any polished surface or any surface, it bounces back. This bouncing back of light is called as reflection of light. Okay, so it is because of this reflection of light that you can see this story you must have read na, in Panchatantra about the lion seeing his reflection in the mirror. Okay, so this is about the reflection of light. Clear, children? Now after the reflection of light, we will come to the plane mirror. Okay, images formed by a plane mirror. You all must have stood in front of a plane mirror, children. कभी हमेशा हम लोग डेली सुबह तुम लोग खड़े होते हो प्लेन मिरर, सुबह दोपहर शाम, every time you people stand in front of a mirror. Today we will see how the image looks in a mirror. Okay, we will see what are the characteristics of images formed in a mirror. Now, what are the characteristics? Now, if you light a candle and place in front of the mirror, okay, candle को जला के mirror के सामने रखना, what will you see? The image, you will see that it is not on the screen. It is somewhere behind the mirror. बहुत ही ध्यान से आज तुम लोग ये एक्सपेरिमेंट करके देखना. ओके चिल्ड्रन, यू जस्ट लाइट अ कैंडल, you keep it in front of the mirror and then observe the mirror. You will see that the candle is not, the reflection or the image is not formed here. It is formed somewhere back. Okay, so this is one of the characteristic of the mirror image. What is it? The first characteristic is that the image is formed behind the screen. स्क्रीन के पीछे होता है. एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ इमेजेस आर कॉल्ड एज वर्चुअल इमेज. क्या बोला जाता है इनको? वर्चुअल इमेज. ओके, देन यू ऑल मस्ट हैव सीन, जब शीशे के सामने खड़े होते हो, द सेकेंड एंड द थर्ड कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स आर वेरी सिंपल. द इमेजेस आर अपराइट इन ईच केस. अपराइट का मतलब क्या होता है? बिल्कुल सीधे. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि तुम लोग उल्टे नजर आते हो. नहीं, नहीं ना. Yes, the image is upright. Okay, and it is, or image, and this is called as an erect image. That means an image formed by a plane mirror is erect and of the same size as the object. That also you must have noticed. जो तुम लोगों का साइज है वही साइज तुमको मिरर दिखाता है ना. ऐसा तो नहीं है कि तुम बड़े या छोटे दिखते हो. नो. So the image formed by a plane mirror is erect. Erect मतलब सीधा, straight, and of the same size. Okay, so this is the second characteristic. Now third characteristic, what you have to do children, you have to take a chessboard. ठीक है, chessboard लिया. After taking a chessboard, what you have to do, you have to place a mirror. Okay, you have placed a mirror like this. सीधा उसको खड़ा कर दिया. आफ्टर दैट काउंट सम स्क्वायर्स, एंड आफ्टर काउंटिंग 3 or 4 स्क्वायर्स you keep an eraser or a sharpener, any of the object. Okay, you keep it here. After that what will you see? You will see that the image formed, जो तुम लोगों को इमेज पीछे दिखाई देगा, that will also be at the same डिस्टेंस बिहाइंड द मिरर. यानी जितने स्क्वायर्स तुमने यहाँ पे छोड़ के प्लेस किया है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1 2 3 स्क्वायर्स छोड़ के तुम लोगों ने शार्पनर प्लेस किया है. द इमेज फॉर्म्ड इन द मिरर विल ऑल्सो बी 1 2 3 इन द थर्ड check. Okay, so what does this prove? This proves that the distance between the object and the image is the same. Clear? तुम लोगों ने देखा ना, अगर if it is placed 3 squares in front of the mirror, the image will also be formed 3 squares at the back. Clear? So the distance of the object and image is the same. Then the next one is lateral inversion, right or left. This also is very interesting children. You all must have done this again. If you have not done, you can do it at home. When you lift your left hand in the mirror, you will be able to, it appears as if you have lifted your right hand. And when you lift your right hand, it appears as your left hand. So this is called as lateral inversion. That is, the left hand appears on the right side and the right hand appears on the left side. Clear children? So these are the various characteristics of a mirror, images formed by a mirror. What are these? I have written it for you so that it becomes easy for you. The image is upright. Upright means bilkul सीधा, straight. Okay, the image formed is erect and of the same size. That means it is upright, erect and of the same size. जो तुम लोग का size होगा वही होगा. Then the image formed is virtual. Virtual means मैंने बताया था which cannot be obtained on the screen. It is formed behind the screen. स्क्रीन में नहीं होता है, स्क्रीन के पीछे होता है. Then the fourth characteristic is the distance of the object and the image is same, जो हम लोगों ने चेस बोर्ड पे किया था. क्लियर? एंड plane mirror shows lateral inversion, that is right appears left and left appears right. So children, please go through the video carefully, and if you have any doubt you can contact me. Thank you children.